What is going on? Am I like crooked? Low key, huh? Okay. What's up, ladies and gents? What is up? So I'm back at the gas station today, and I got this question from someone the other day. They said, Orion, why do you do it, dude? You know? You still go to these shops, you still fucking set up, you still oversee everything. Brother, I do it for the love of the fucking game, dude. I genuinely love this shit. Like, my dream in my life, this might sound corny to a lot of you, but my dream in my life was to be a business owner, to be an entrepreneur. That's what I am. I'm an entrepreneur. You know what I mean? Like, I love it, man. I love it. I love this shit. I love doing this shit. I love fucking being here, taking care of this shit. Like, I just love the whole process, man. I love it. So, you know, that's why I do it, man. I do it for the love of the game. Do it for the love of the business. So, yeah. What's it called? Right now, I have my dyno coming. I scheduled that out. I have my dyno coming, and I got my contractor. I asked him to go pick some other stuff up from the other shop. He didn't forget some of the stuff. He just didn't bring it because he didn't have space. So I basically told him just go pick it up. I ended up waking up this morning. I went to the gym, got a half-ass lift in. I didn't really sleep that well. I don't know why. In this apartment, I can't really sleep. I don't know what it is. But, you know, it is what it is. Took care of some business there. And, yeah, I mean, that's basically it, guys. You know, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. Didn't really do anything else. Today is Saturday. I'm not really doing much besides this. Like, that's basically about it. I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of like more in the shop, like on site type of stuff. You know what I mean? Like, you guys get to see my people. You guys get to see who I kick it with and who I talk with and how I talk. You know, like that's the kind of stuff I wish I had when I first started in business. Whether if it was a Smog business or any other business, right? Someone teaching me this stuff. So I hope you guys genuinely get the value out of that. I hope you guys enjoy it. Sometimes it might be kind of boring, right? But, you know, life's boring sometimes. So that's how it is. So, with that being said as well, okay, this shop should be up and running by Monday or Tuesday the latest. And then I have my state inspection on Wednesday. So, could I have maybe spaced things out a little bit more? Yes. Do I really operate in that shoulda, woulda, coulda like a bitch? No, I don't. So, you know, that's kind of how we are rolling. Now, you might be asking yourself, Arian, what are you doing? I am looking at student locations. And then I have a student landlord call later tonight. Or, I mean, later in the day at 2 p.m. So, I'm going to take care of that. These are some pretty fucking solid locations, dude. The students never fail to surprise me, like, with solid location. I'm like, damn. So, yeah. Basically, that's what I've been doing, guys. I mean, nothing crazy, man. Just work. Just work. Today, I took the wrong turn, and I ended up going on the Santa Monica. You know that one GTA thing? That Santa Monica part? I went down that. I was kind of pissed off. I was like, you know what? I missed my turn, like whatever it is. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just enjoy the moment. So I just drove a little bit, like down. It was kind of cool. I don't know. I might just get some reservations tonight at Nobu. Go kick it by myself. Want to go take care of some of this shit. That's what I do a lot. I just kind of like have my introverted moments, you know, like my moments. Where I just want to kick it with myself. I don't want to talk to people. I don't want to freaking, you know, when your social battery is just drained, like, you just kind of want to chill. That's what I do a lot.
A few moments later.
What's up, dude? I know. What's up? You staying out of trouble?
Yeah, just
You want to say what's up to my vlog? Come here.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? These guys are cool. All right, what's up? What you doing?
Just trying to make some money.
Yeah? I don't have any cash. You always catch me when I don't have cash, man.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hold up. Actually, no. Hold up.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. I actually do have cash here.
Dude, thanks.
Yeah, wait. No, that's all the cash I got. All right, dude.
Thank you.
You staying out of trouble?
I just bought an imitation Rolex.
You just bought an imitation Rolex?
Another one, yeah.
There you go. Save your money, man. I thought you were going to start investing. We were talking last time.
Yeah, where was it?
Well, we were saying you were gonna invest and how you're staying out of trouble. You're selling
Trying to
stuff.
get into the stock trading,
Stock trading.
day trading.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, you want to check out the glasses?
Let me see. Dolce and Gabbana. Where'd you get these from?
Where did I get them from? Oh, the swap meet right here.
Oh yeah.
They sell like all designer stuff there.
Man, I can't rock something like this, man. I can't rock this. I'm not that fresh.
I got the Pradas too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go sell these. Try to make a hustle. At least you're not doing anything, against the law. That's good.
Thank you.
That's
man.
good. How you been holding up? You been good?
Likewise.
I know. I remember
Yeah.
you were selling those also.
Yeah, so I've been
Yeah.
just trying to get a job lately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember you were telling me.
Yeah.
What's holding? Oh, you're at the spot right now.
I'm just trying to focus on my health first.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. You're looking good. You're looking better than last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I got the matching outfit.
There you go. Watch out for him
Instead
today.
of buying drugs, I buy clothes.
Good. Good.
Clothes and food.
Good.
Yeah.
Try to save your money too, right?
Yeah.
Save up enough, invest in a business, invest in your health, right? Go to the gym, you're already skinny, you're not fat,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that's good. Invest in good food. You're looking brighter than last time, which is
Yeah.
good, man. Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
All right, bro.
See you later.
All right, see you out there. I don't show that stuff on camera, but this guy, I saw him on the street. I was setting up the Smog shop. He's special. That's all I gotta say. He's a little special, but he's got a good heart. The guy doesn't do anything. He doesn't harm anyone. He doesn't scream. He doesn't yell. He understands that he needs to work on himself. So cool dude. Cool dude. All right. Anyways, now with that being said, sometimes I just want to be in myself. I want to just do me. I don't feel like talking to people. Damn, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Trying to bitch, dumb as but leave me alone. This student sent me a shop in Palos Verdes. Yo, I don't know if this is burned down. I'm not even saying that to try to be funny. Like, I'm being dead serious. Okay. But yeah, man, it's dudes like that. Like, you gotta help out. It's people like that. You gotta help out. This dude, he does no one any harm. He does no one any harm. He always has like little knickknacks that he's selling, whether it be AirPods or whether it be, whatever. And he always has a smile on his face, and he always makes me smile. And that's priceless. I wish I had more cash to give the guy. But hopefully he's going to be fine with that. I'm going to probably end up buying him food later too, because that's what I did last time. Okay? He's a cool dude. Okay? So, alright. You guys really get to see my life. You guys get to see my life in ways other people, no one ever does. Kind of funny. But, yeah, man. This is what we're doing. This is how we're going about it. This location is not good. Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, that's it. This shop is going to be a good shop. I hope to God it's going to be a good shop. I mean, I know it's going to be a good shop, but you know what I mean? Like, good. Like, to the point where I'm like, damn. Kind of impressed me. So, yeah. Said he's 3 minutes away. What's up? The Dino guy is going to be here in a sec. Here. Oh, no. Here. You want to open up that shop? Make sure the wood is on the side, too, to hold it up.
Which one?
That's the lock on the bottom. You'll see the lock. And then that's the tow truck guy. He just pulled in. So, yeah. Please call me 10 minutes prior to the call. Period. Thank you. All right. I'm about to go into the shop. I got to take care of some shit. All right?
A few moments later.
What is going on, my beautiful peeps? So, to give you guys a little update as to what happened, I went to, after I got done setting that shop up, I had the landlord call. You guys remember I told you that? The dude ended up being super, super cool. So I was like, you know what? Might as well. His shop was like an hour away from where I was at. So he's like, you know what, bro? Like, you just want to, like, come? We could just talk. And I was like, yeah, sure. So I ended up going there. The guy had a heart of gold. You know what I mean? Like, super, super good guy. And we just ended up talking for a solid hour. Solid hour. And him and I we just got along. You know what I mean? So might be another shop in the process. I'm like losing count, to be honest with you, as to how much is going on in the company. But I'm glad. I'm very glad. And the student that found that location is in Miami. He's hasn't even been in California. So go figure. And that's only done via the softwares that I have for the people in the program. So with that being said, talked with him, basically got the gist of everything. And yeah, I just came back home. I just finished up some work. I responded to some other students. There's another student that we got to fill out a tenant lease application for another location. Like, there are so many things going on at one time, right? So, with that being said, I can't complain. This is exactly what I asked for, and I'm getting it now. So, tomorrow's Sunday. Everything is closed. Everyone is relaxing. So, we're gonna ramp it up back in gear on Monday. That's when the contractors are gonna come. Hopefully, 1 day job. They're gonna get everything done that day. I sure hope so. So, that's that. Nothing too crazy. I've just been grinding, man. That's it. I love this. I genuinely love this. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. But I love the fact that I'm going to wake up tomorrow and do it all over again. So, you guys saw what did with the shop. The shop looks super clean now. Like, he organized everything. And then we dropped the dyno in. The dyno looks kind of weird right now, but it's going to get fixed pretty soon. Typically, in these shops, the dyno's already there. But when the dyno isn't there, that's how I basically take care of it, So, yeah, I mean, that's that. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too wild, So, all right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to knock out. My food just got done warming up. I'm about to eat and then just sleep for a solid 8 hours. And then I'll call you guys tomorrow. So, with that being said, this concludes yet another day in the life of an entrepreneur. Love y'all.